what the process looks like to come to the United States. How does one really achieve their American dream? So, as I said, with AMN Healthcare International, we have both international staffing and international direct hire options for our nurses. So, this is our 7 step path. We've distilled it down for you. I know sometimes it can feel confusing, it can feel like a lot of anxiety, not knowing where you are or where you stand, but you can always refer back to the success path. These are the steps to come to the US as a registered nurse. So, step one, the NCLEX. This is going to be your golden ticket. This is how you get started in your processing. You're going to pass that NCLEX. Once you have passed, you're going to move to step two, which is preparing for the interview. So, you are going to have submitted the best possible application to AMN Healthcare with your current work experience. Hopefully, you've passed the NCLEX. You might have started studying for the English, or you might have passed it if that's something you need. You want to make yourself the most marketable that you can to US employers. And then we will help match you with the best employer for you. Once you get an offer of employment, you will move to step three, which is the visa framework. So this is where we will help you file, whether it's a TN visa if you're coming from Mexico or Canada, or a green card if you're coming from anywhere else in the world, potentially an H-1B as well. That may be an option. We will help you gather all of the correct documents. We're also going to do step four with you. That's figuring out how to get you your US license, get that visa screen certificate. Then we're going to move to step five, which happens after you've had your consulate interview and your visa has been approved. This is where we prepare for the transition. We want to make sure that you're touching down in the United States with everything you need. Step six is the arrival sequence. So these are all of the things that we may be doing to help you to get through that initial period, so that you don't just step off the airplane and feel like, where do I go now? So that's the arrival sequence. And then step seven, enjoy and prosper. And that is really our goal for all of our international nurses. AMN Healthcare has been doing this for a long, long time between OGP, which is international staffing, and Connetics, which is international direct hire. We have helped thousands of nurses. So we know what we're doing. We know how to handle retrogression, and we would be very happy to help you achieve your American dream and move through that whole success path. So if you are interested in applying, I'm going to drop that link again in the chat. It's amnhealthcare.com/international, and our recruiters are on hand, ready, and excited to help you with your application.